Coming up on Commodore News, we'll take a look at the impact of stress in the lives of teenagers and get you caught up with what's happening here at Maury. Commodore News is on. Welcome to Commodore News for Friday, February 16th. I'm Jalen Hollins. This has been a busy week with the successful blood drive on Wednesday and a forum on total knee replacement. There aren't any scores to report, but several teams are involved in regional and state competition. Here's Stella Glass in the control room with what's coming up.
Thanks, Jalen. Today, members of the swim team will be participating in the state championship meet at 9 a.m. at the GMU Aquatic Center. The wrestling team will be competing at the varsity state tournament at Kellum. And finally, the boys and girls basketball teams will be in action Monday in the regional playoffs. That's all for Friday. Back to you, Jalen.
Thanks, Stella. Recently, the multimedia production class at Maury submitted an entry into Panasonic's Kid Witness News video competition. The video dealt with the monster stress can be in a teenager's life. Here's that entry.
So much work in history, and I have an English paper due on Friday. I also have to go to tutoring after school, and I have a party on Saturday, and field hockey practice on Tuesday, and
49% of students have reported feeling stressed on a daily basis, according to The Atlantic magazine. Procrastination is a coping mechanism for stress, which puts you behind in your work. In extreme cases of stress, it can even make you feel sick, with headaches, nausea, upset stomach, fatigue, or dry mouth, and the list goes on. And it doesn't just stay at school either. It follows you home and affects your social life. Stress is one of the leading causes of insomnia and sleep deprivation.
Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's a wrap for this broadcast of Commodore News. For the entire team, I'm Jalen Hollins. Have a great weekend.